Hey everyone, today I'm really excited to launch our next AI agent on our AI playground. This agent is really special for two reasons. One, it enables easier adoption of open source software for businesses, for developers. In fact, it's for anyone and everyone. The second reason is that it perfectly ties what we do at Wellstones with our AI agents, with House of Work, with everything we do with managed open source software platforms. So, with that said, this is still in preview, so be gentle with it. Now let me walk you through the demo. Once you're on our AI playground, you can find our SaaS Swap Strategist AI agent. It should be the 8th agent on our platform. You can go in and then you can enter your current SaaS tool that you're trying to replace with an open source software. So maybe for this example, let me take Freshworks product. Let's say, Freshdesk. So let's say you're using Freshdesk or you're planning to use Freshdesk. You can copy the Freshdesk URL and enter it here and hit continue. So in the background, our AI agent runs a web search, a web crawling, goes to the URL you've given, understands everything about that product, and then it gives you the pricing page. So this is the pricing page that they have on Freshworks. So let's say you're planning to buy the $15 plan. You can select that and enter the number of users you have. Maybe you have 10 users, which means you'll be spending $150 a month. And you're going to use email support, you're going to use knowledge base, ticketing, and the custom roles and permissions, for example. Then select next. And here, if you have any other particular requirements for it could be an SSO requirement, some compliance, whatever it is, you can enter that information here. And once you submit it, now by understanding Freshworks, the features that you've requested from Freshworks, and any other information that you've given here, our AI agent in the background crawls through hundreds of open source products and also the products that we have on a House of Works. So here we have a list of open source projects that you can launch in minutes through our platform. So it crawls through everything and comes back with a complete suggestion of how we can proceed, how you can find a good open source alternative for Freshdesk. So we enter 10 users. So the estimated monthly cost would be $150. So now it is suggesting 3 different tools that you can use. So one is this tool, then it suggests OS tickets and a few help desk tools, which are good replacements for Freshdesk. It also does a comparison of all the features that you've requested and what it has, what these open source tools has and they don't have. It gives them integration and how much you would be saving if you decide to move away from SaaS to choose an open source alternative for it. So again, these are open source software, so you don't actually pay for the software through House of Works. You can enable the software to run on any cloud provider. You can either bring your own virtual machine or you can use our managed virtual machines. So we manage backups, we manage setup, upgrade, privacy, everything. So in a way, you could be saving more than $1,000 if you switch to open source software that can do the exact same thing, but you're only charged I think around 60% of the cost you can save through the open source platform through House of Works. And again, it's just giving you a few more helpful links through which you can reach out either to me directly or you can schedule a call with our team. You can check out House of Works website. Or if you have any questions, you can also ask questions to the AI. So through this AI chat interface, you can talk to our AI assistant, understand more about these tools, how we can proceed with them. And click on these links and go and look at all the tools that it has suggested. So this is the SaaS Swap Strategist AI agent, which in a way helps businesses and developers easily understand open source software and gives them a roadmap of how they can either move away from SaaS or implement open source software in their businesses. So if this is something that is interested to you, do check out our AI agent. We can also check out House of Works to directly use the benefits of open source, where we manage everything behind the scenes and you just use the software for your business. Thank you.